Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you our adjustable pull-out drawers where people can use in kitchens, closets. A lot of people use them. We replace some of the fixed shelves under kitchen counters with these. The difference between ours and most others ours are fully adjustable. You can see the little holes here, so you can put the drawers wherever you like. It's great because you don't have to worry about deciding exactly where you want them right at first, like most other companies offer. Very simple. They operate on our solid wood boxes, soft close undermount drawers. Simply squeeze the lever from the bottom. You can see you can easily remove the drawer. Then all you do is pivot up. There's a pin, you can see. Then all you do is stick it in any hole that you like. Make sure you have it in the correct hole on both sides. And they simply rotate in place. Then you simply drop the drawer box on the slide, push it in, and you're done. A great new addition. Let us help you with that.